welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into something we all use every day, Google History. Ever wondered how Google remembers your search history? It's not magic, it's technology. Every time you hit that search bar, Google logs your searches. But here's the cool part, Google uses this history to make your searches more personalized. It learns what you like, your interests, and even your location to give you relevant results. Privacy is key. You can delete your search history anytime. Just go to your Google account settings, click on Data and Personalization, and clear your history. Easy, right? And here's a bonus tip. If you want to see your recent searches, just type My Activity into the Google search bar. It's all right there. So, there you have it. Google History, a handy tool that keeps your searches tailored to you. If you found this short informative, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.